Bonjour! Welcome to the third section of Unit 1 called Let's Hang Out. In this section, you will learn how to invite someone to do something with you, different places where you can go to do things, and you will learn how to accept or decline an invitation. It's really helpful now that we're getting into more complicated vocabulary for you to make flashcards or some other sort of tool to help you practice this vocabulary and remember it better. There is a Quizlet included in this unit, like in previous units, and that will help you too. Also, it's mentioned that you can try doing your own Quizlet because when you create something, it helps you to remember it better. So those are some options for you. I'm going to go over the pronunciation in this video, but also you can find the meanings of all of these words through your own resources and the instructional videos in this unit. It helps for you to write in the words yourself rather than Bonjour! Welcome to section 1.3, Let's Hang Out. In this section, you are going to learn how to invite somebody to do something and places where you can go to do something. You'll also learn how to accept somebody's invitation or decline an invitation if you need to, plus some phrases that you can use to give reasons why you can't go. So as in previous units, it's really helpful to create flashcards or even your own Quizlet to help you practice and remember these words. There's also a Quizlet included in this unit as well. You can find the meanings of these words through a variety of different resources in this unit. There will also be an instructional video uploaded that will help you to learn these words and what they mean. So if you're ready, let's listen and repeat. Starting at the top, on va, on va. And usually when you say on va in a question, that means are we going to a certain place or should we go to a certain place? So on this list, I've given you parentheses that are kind of like a placeholder for that particular place. Next one is exactly the same way where you're saying, do you want to go? And that is a little bit more formal of an expression than on va. Tu voudrais aller to a place? Tu voudrais aller? And now here are some places where you can go. And you'll notice at the beginning there are two different types of words. There's au and there's alla. And in the instructional video, it'll explain why we use these two different types of words. So first, we have au centre commercial, au centre commercial, au café, au café, au cinéma, au cinéma, au concert, au concert, and keep in mind that T at the end of concert is silent. So it just sounds like au concert with an R at the end. À la bibliothèque, à la bibliothèque, à la fête, à la fête, à la maison, à la maison. Oh, à la fête is in here twice. We'll take that out. Then next, we have expressions that you would use to accept an invitation. D'accord, d'accord. And again, that D is silent at the end. Oui, je veux bien. Oui, je veux bien. Bonne idée. Bonne idée. Pourquoi pas? Pourquoi pas? And here are some expressions that you would use to reject an invitation if you can't go. Pas possible. Pas possible. Je ne peux pas. Je ne peux pas. And then here are some reasons why you might not be able to go somewhere. Je dois faire mes devoirs. Je dois faire mes devoirs. J'ai de mon, oh, j'ai de ma mère. J'ai de ma mère. J'ai de mon père. J'ai de mon père. And if you look at the instructional video, again, you'll see a little more about these words, explaining why we use o and alla, how to use on va or tu voudrais aller, and then a little bit more about what these words at the bottom mean with the accepting and rejecting invitations. See you soon.